Hello guys, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. In today's video, we will explain to you how to make a website. As you know, the website is a collection of publicly accessible pages. The website has different purposes, such as news, education, commerce, entertainment, or social networking. Let's start with the topic, how to make a website. To make a website, there are several platforms that allow making a website in just easy steps without knowing any coding and programming, such as Wix, Squarespace, Website Creator, etc. Now we are going to explain the creation of a website in just 5 steps. So the first step is to pick a name for your website. For example, www.businesstopics.com, and check the availability. Once you get the name, you can go to the second step, which is to get hosting and domain. Hosting and domain are the two things that we need to purchase for launching our website. Hosting for store your website files, and domain is the name of your website. Choose your desired package and duration and confirm your purchase. After completing the payment, you got your domain and hosting. Now let's go to the step 3, which is to install WordPress. WordPress is used to control your website that contains plugins and a template system, so you can customize any website to fit your business, blog, portfolio, or online store. Log into your WordPress and your website is live. Now next, easy fourth step is to install a theme, and it allows you to easily customize your website theme according to your requirements. You can now go to the final step, edit the content. So if you want to change any content and logo, you can easily do it through the Customize button. Hope this video helps you make a website. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more explanatory videos.